will show you how to make a simple project on fire alarm which can protect us from if any fire, if anything burns in our home or in our society. So you need some things. Number 1 is a rectangular piece of wood. Number 2 is 9-volt battery. Number 3 is DC switch. Number 4 is flip light starter. Number 5 is some wires. And number 6 is buzzer, means the alarm. Let us understand the drawing. If we understand the drawing, we can make our project of our own. So this is the piece of wood. On the piece of wood, this is the buzzer and this is the 9-volt battery, and this is the switch and this is the light starter. We have to stick all the things with glue gun in the piece of wood. So let us understand the connection of the wires. The positive charge of the positive wire of the buzzer will connect to positive wire of the switch. And the negative wire of the switch will connect to the positive wire of the battery. The negative wire of the buzzer will connect to negative wire of light starter. The positive wire of light starter will connect to negative wire of battery. And you can see this is the light starter. If we give fire here, it will produce heat energy, and with the help of this device, the heat energy can convert into electrical energy and can produce electric. If we on the switch here, if the electric comes from direct to buzzer, and this will pass through, and positive current will pass through and the battery, and then it will pass through switch, and the switch will pass through buzzer, then the buzzer will start ringing. So we are ending here. It is a simple project. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section below. Thank you. Please like my channel and subscribe. Don't forget to give like. Okay.